Yo, what you don't know, original Geotex, this is endorsing Lionfoot TV. What me say? Lionfoot TV original, spreading the Rastaman consciousness vibration. You hear me? Teach me. Lionfoot, teach me. Teach me, Lionfoot, teach them. Big up yourself, Lionfoot TV original. You like?
Winning, we winning. Winning, we winning. Winning, we winning. Winning, we winning. Champion, champion, yeah, the re-ghetto queen. Champion, champion, black, gold and green. Champion.
Production. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed morning, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. Anyone there know nothing but love in our vlog. We have vlog on the go. Zine. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so I don't know, big up on yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And when I decide to do so, just click the bell, you know what I mean? So you always get that alert. Now, my viewers and subscribers, who are the Squaddie here? I don't know if I want to see that video here. Zine, but Squaddie, not a lie, Squaddie are going bad. Anyway, my viewers, just go right forward.
You feel for plan, that mean you plan to fail. That mean you plan to suffer, that mean you plan to jail. You need more ambition and no ammunition. We there for your purpose, we there upon a mission. You better have a vision and make some wise decision. And make no sense, you buy the Benz and have a Bentley.
Give thanks to life and big up on yourself. I don't know, Lionfoot with another vlog. I read with them and I boast now, brag. Yes, man, welcome back. I don't know. Tina B, I'm going to check out that female artist. Tina B, Jamaican, based in the UK. So I say she do her thing over there, I get the strength. So she have a new song named Champion. Zine, yes, man. Brand new single release. And the video official visuals release on the 1st of January. You see what I say? Yeah, man, so you can go check it out and get the support. You see it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. No, I'm not telling the boys, Squaddie, Mr. Squaddie are going to sitting there. Yo, Squaddie. And I read it about similar. Yeah, Squaddie. So them got a girl here, you know. The girl, them at the garage, you know. Give me the girl with the wicked Islam. Them type of girl, you know, feel love up, she man. And if you want to get the medal, you want to get a slam from a real ghetto girl again. You see me? Bombardos me, I tell you. Yes, when the song they did release. Yeah, man. Find it. Yo, we say my whole Friday when the Cockburn pen there. One of the land. What the land name? The land on the Cockburn pen. That's a right to spot. That's what the hotel there. You see me? Yeah, man, opposite Cockburn pen all in school, man. Them time to be in the man. Dust it. Give me the yellow, give me the kids. Yo. Big up yourself, find it. That's what I say. Big up London, you know. Youth days, you know. They tell you them time they're nice, you know. You see me? But anyway, I tell my viewers and subscribers, see the girls in the ghetto, but they can't walk. You have some uptown. Beanie Man did have to do an uptown song too as well, like Buju, you know. But I tell you, say the girl in the ghetto, remember, I tell them, them know for walk with your man, man. You think I joke? If you not do the job properly, remember, I tell you. You see me? But me don't like viewers and subscribers, for and joke aside. I don't know if it's a dance I keep and the police them go to lock it off and one of the girl that lady they know approach him with that style. You know, cause I know them full of style, you know. Big up the girl in the garrison, you know, the whole 14, you know. You see what I say? Yes, man. So Empress approach Squaddie and the rhythm start knocking. The good and sweet Squaddie I say, alright, give them an extra hour to keep them party. You know, the music run for an extra, but now I tell you. Squaddie, now I think about the professionalism, you know. Viewers and subscribers, this is a serious and also a fun matter. Because, you know, professionally still, Squaddie should not act professionally. You see me? Because they don't know a garrison that and some, as a kerosene, them as well politics, what should I say? Some of the females, them are kerosene. They can trick you and make your friend, they can kill you at the bad man, them, you know. So when they're in a garrison, you can't move so loose, you have to act professionalism. Show professionalism, you see me? In times like these where you know you have phone, everything will go viral. You don't know who's recording. You see me? Bush and wall of V's. That then say? So Squaddie in the garrison. Sorry about the noise, you know. I don't know, vlog on the go. Are we there, you know? You see me? Give thanks to life, health and strength, man. But my viewers and subscribers, I would like you to tell me what you think about Squaddie and his actions. We see a lot of mixed actions, reactions. Some people are not happy. I say, boy, you know, them should have show professionalism. Some people are saying, boy, I'm gone with that. I might walk that girl later and then take her away. But really and truly, see, them should have show professionalism because he's on the job. His life is on the job. Zine. And he's out there to do his job and do it professionally. That's what I say, but me not lie. Hey, that girl left butt in there, so she hold up her foot. So she cock up her foot. And that time I see she jump on the 1 foot and Squaddie and lean her against the car, you know. Why I tell my viewers and subscribers, I love to show you the whole video, but I don't know YouTube and them policy. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, right now I know Squaddie in a lot of hot water right now. I know Andrew Willis could have seen this and not happy. If Corporal could have seen this and not happy about Squaddie. I say, I guess I go now. I buck your toe, you have to just bear the pain, you see it? Yo, my viewers and subscribers, without telling a lie. We see Squaddie a rock. And you read a Squaddie dip on time with the rhythm too, you know. Yo, without telling a lie. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know, big up on the Kings and Cream, line. So give thanks to life and praise, you know. Every time you open your eyes, just praise Father God for another day. You see it? Yes, man, I don't know a lion foot and I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Yeah, man, just let me know what you think about Squaddie and his actions. Is that what I say? See you on the next one. I'm out.
Rise, champion, yeah, the rig gets so clean. Champion, black, gold and green. Champion, me have to fight for my dreams. Me have to strive and achieve. Champion, black, gold and green. Champion, me have the rig.
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Enough guys because me been hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot and close.
You know it's anything than a big up Lionfoot TV.
Phoenix the realest. Lionfoot TV. Badness the thing gone straight to the pile of the badness Simmons and yes. Boom. Phoenix the realest. Got it.
Yeah. I mean, as I always represent for Lionfoot, you know, TV, you know. I hear my beer energy, you know. I mean, as my boss go and pick up myself, look, I don't know, so Lionfoot, I hear me. I saw the things, you know, my boss, I hear me worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during the going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.